Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the script error that an error has occurred in a script on this page. This error will typically occur on Internet Explorer. While the browser has been deprecated by most web applications and even Microsoft in several instances, in today's tutorial I will show you guys how to go about resolving it for the people who are still using Internet Explorer for a variety of reasons. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in Internet Options. Best result should come back with Internet Options right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select the Advanced tab, and now underneath Browsing, you want to have Close Unused Folders in History and Favorites. You want to keep that unchecked. Disable Script Debugging Internet Explorer, keep that checkmarked. Disable Script Debugging Other, keep that checkmarked as well. And then where it says display a notification about every script error, go ahead and make sure that is unchecked. And those are the three you want to keep an eye out for here. Once you have it as you see it on my screen, go ahead and select apply and OK. You will need to go ahead and restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. One further thing you can do, if we went back into Internet Options again and we selected the Advanced tab, again, I guess we're going back down there. You want to go back down underneath Browsing and locate where it says Enable Third-Party Browser Extensions. Go ahead and uncheck that option. And then select Apply and OK. And then see if that resolves the problem too. So that's something else you guys can try. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.